Good morning, students. In the last class, we have done problems based on concave mirror. Today, we will solve certain problems based on convex mirror. Okay? Now here, in either a concave or a convex mirror, one thing is always we must follow the rules. Following the rules and applying the sign convention, like U is positive or negative based on the rules, we will be solving the problems. Here sign convention is always based on your incident ray. The incident ray which is coming and falling on the mirror, all the distances in the direction of the incident light must be taken as positive. In the opposite direction must be taken as negative. Let us say our convex mirror. Okay. In the last class we have solved the problems based on concave mirror. Let us see the convex mirror. Now in this mirror, is this a convex mirror? Yes, it is a convex mirror. If the inner surface is polished and the outer surface is reflecting, we call it as a convex mirror. Now, if a rays are incident on the convex mirror, let us say these are the parallel beam of rays incident on the convex mirror. These rays, they get reflected. Now how to get the image? We are extending the rays backwards. Whenever the rays are extended backwards, we call such type of images as virtual image. Now this is the midpoint of the mirror. A focus is formed in case of a convex mirror at the back of the mirror. After this, you will be getting the center of curvature. Okay. Now, based on this, let us say one problem based on the convex mirror. Now, the problem is, in your textbook there is a problem. At the back of the chapter, we all see a convex mirror with a radius of curvature. R is given as 3 meters. Is used as a rear view mirror for a vehicle. If a bus is located at a distance of 5 meters from this mirror, find the position and nature size of the image. He is saying there is a convex mirror. Now there is a bus located from this mirror at a distance of 5 meters. Object distance is 5 meters. Radius of curvature is given. How to find the focal length? F equal to R by 2. Now R is 3. Given in the problem R is 3. 3 by 2. F is equal to, if you divide 3 by 2, you will get 1.5 meters. Now he is asking you to find the position and nature of the image. Now my object is at a distance of 5 meters. The rays are falling on the mirror. Now somewhere you will be getting the focus. Okay. Now in the direction of the incident ray, all the distances must be taken as positive. Hence F must be taken as positive. U, from pole to the object, we call it as object distance. Rays are moving from right to left and you are measuring from left to right. hence u must be taken as negative. Now you got f and u. Substitute in the formula. 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by f is 1.5 is equal to 1 by minus 5 plus 1 by v. Say, in order to do the simple calculation, I am removing the point. 1 by 1.5 is written as 15 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by v. When 10 goes upside, 10 by 15 is equal to minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by v. Now take this minus 1 by 5 to the other side. 10 by 15 plus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by v. LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. 15 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 10, 10 plus in 5 how many times? 3 times is equal to 1 by v. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 15, which is 1 by v. Now divide v equal to 15 by 13. Divide 13 table 15. 13 ones are 5 minus 3 2.0. 13 twos are 13 ones are again 10 minus 3 7 70. 13 fives are 65. Hence you will get 1.15 meters. See here children, the value is positive value you are getting. Positive indicates always the images are virtual image. I told you in the last class, if you will get the negative image, those are real images. Always you are getting the positive values in case of your convex mirror. Hence, positive value indicates a virtual image. How are virtual images? Virtual images are always erected images. Real images are inverted images. Next, after this, he is asking you to find nature and size of the image. Now, magnification equal to minus v by u. M equal to minus. How much is the value of v? 1.15 by u is minus 5. Minus minus cancels. M equal to 115 by 5 into, I am removing the decimal, into 100. 5 2's 10, 15. 5 3's are. Then M equal to 23 by 100, which is 23 into 10 power minus 2. Okay. Magnification is the ratio. Here, see here, I am writing meters are the unit for your virtual image distance. But I didn't write the units. Magnification is always a ratio. It doesn't have any unit. Okay children, this is the way how to solve the problems based on convex mirrors. Okay. Always in the problem they may give you directly the focal length or radius of curvature. You need to remember the relation r equal to 2f. From that you can calculate the focal length. F is nothing but r by 2. By substituting all the values in the mirror equation formula, you will get the magnification and nature of the image. Virtual images, you can write here, virtual images are always erected images. Okay. Note down one more problem. See, I am giving directly homework problem you note down. A radius of curvature write down. There is an object in front of a concave mirror at a distance of 5 centimeters. If its focal length is 10 centimeters, it's a convex mirror. Okay? If its focal length is 10 centimeters, then find its image distance. Second bit, what is the magnification? Okay, I am giving you the hint. It's a convex mirror. Focal length is given, object distance is given, image distance. What does it indicate? We need to find B. Use the mirror equation formula 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Next, this is for the first bit. Second bit, magnification means M equal to minus V by U. Okay, try to solve this problem. In the next class I will give you the solution for this problem. Thank you, children.